Hello, it's your boy Rahim. Today I'm going to talk about the reason why I still insist that investing in real estate is the best investment you could ever make. Not just about the capital appreciation, it's about you having control of your asset, it's about you having cash flow, it's about you having an asset that will last for lifetime. You know, you can pass it on to generation, onto generation, onto generation. Nobody will take it away from you as long as you're paying your mortgage, and in some time in the future you would have also paid for that mortgage. That is one of the reasons why I love properties, and I will die for properties. I can do anything for real estate because it's yours. It's an asset. It generates you money whilst you sleep. It generates you cash flow whilst it sleep. It appreciates in value whilst you sleep. In the past 80 years, property appreciating value 7.5% a year. But it's a recession or COVID or whatever is happening in the economy, in average property prices goes up by 7.5%. So now, why am I talking about this today? I don't know if you've watched the news recently about a gaming company called GameStop, I think the name is. So basically, it's a very small company. Hedge funds managers, the Wall Street estimated the stocks to go down, and then obviously it goes the opposite way, and it increased about 700%. Right? So Wall Street wasn't happy about it. So what they did was to talk to the small apps that are allowing amateur traders, basically, because the stock went the opposite way. Wall Street wasn't happy about it. The stock exchange wasn't happy about it. So what they did was to actually order the small platforms that actually allowing amateur traders trading these stocks online to actually stop selling the stocks, because it has a ripple effect where it affected other bigger companies like the pension funds and all the rest of it, and they decided that they need to stop it. Basically, it capped it there, and again, they actually stopped to sell it. So again, that has caused an impact to the people who already own the stock. They cannot sell the stock; they only have to hold it for now, and they don't have control of their asset, right? Again, contrasting that with properties. When it comes to property, nobody would stop you from buying a property because the prices has gone up or the prices has gone down. You have control. You have control of your asset, and you can do whatever you want. Whereas if you buy a stock, for example, what happened in GameStop, they literally just stopped it. You've got no control. You cannot sell it. You cannot buy anything. They just stopped it, right? You've been capped right there. And again, that's another massive disadvantage. You invest in money in an asset that you don't control, an asset that you cannot even dictate whether it's your own or not, an asset that would be wiped off overnight, because that's literally what's happened in the other companies that GameStop shares has impacted. They were valued so high, in a couple of days they've lost billions of dollars only because of that. Again, you don't have control of this, right? And you know, it takes time for the market to recover for you to get that money again. Whereas property, let's say property prices went down, right? Even if it went down, right, if you don't sell, you don't make a loss. It appreciates in value. And guess what? You've got cash flow coming in. You have a minimum, if you got a family let, in average net rental income for a family let in the UK is about £400 a month. So you've got your £400 coming every month, whether the price goes up and goes down. And it doesn't really affect you unless you sell that asset. You know, and also the benefit also, I'm going to re-emphasize on this, is if you want to buy £100,000 property, you don't need £100,000 to buy that property. You only need 25% to buy that property. In other words, you only need £25,000 to buy £100,000 property. Again, it's an advantage. If you want to buy a stock worth 100,000, You have to have 100,000 to be able to buy 100,000 stocks, because no bank will lend you money to buy stock. Again, another advantage of buying properties, because you don't need lots of money to be buying these sort of properties. Look what happened in the market, in the stock market. Within a couple of days, people have lost so much money, and they've stopped GameStop to actually trade their stock, and again, this is a sign to tell you, whatever you're investing in, make sure you have control over it, right? If this video makes sense to you, you like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll keep sharing so many videos about real estate investing, so that you can learn from it. And again, I'm running crash courses. If you're interested in my crash courses, it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. All you need to do basically is to sign up, sacrifice a couple of hours or so of your time, sit with me on a Saturday. I will go through all the most recent property strategies I use to get the financial freedom that you could implement and get you to where you want to go, especially now when landlords need our help, when investors are out there scouting for properties. Again, I look forward to seeing you in my crash course. Thank you.